Fake it till you make it. When you hear people say that, this is exactly what they means. Do you know that many people, including your role models, even your celebrities, uses AI to create these extravagant lifestyles? They use AI to edit their photos and make things look so real and amazing, even if they can't afford it in real life. This can sometimes make you feel pressured. But don't worry, in this very video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use AI to achieve that your desired dress, your car, that location you wish to be, that house you wish to have. Don't worry, all with the help of an AI, you're gonna belong to that high class. You're gonna belong to that high profile class of these celebrities. Now, without wasting time, let's get started.
Let's go.
Okay, let's say there's a particular dress that you have been wanting to wear, or there's a very particular occasion or location you have been wanting to be. All you need to do is to take a screenshot of that particular dress from whatever platform you found it on the internet. All right, in this video tutorial, I would like to make use of the Pinterest platform to make a choice of that dreamy dress. Just in case you're having some difficulties trying to get a better platform where you can get some amazing stunning dresses that you really desire, you can as well make use of this Pinterest platform because it's a very wonderful platform where you can find almost all the designs, if not even every designs and styles of clothes that you want. Just enough for you to type in the name of the dress, and that's all. In this very particular tutorial, let's say, for example, we're making use of suits for women. You just have to type it here in the search bar. Maybe your own might be different, might be something else, might be maybe some African traditional dresses for occasions or for party dresses and all of that. You can find some amazing clothes there. But let's say we're making use of suits for women. Okay, this very particular one here caught my attention. Okay, I think I like the suit. Now, what you need to do is just to download it. Download the photo after you might have gotten your desired dress. Just download the photo of that particular dress, as simple as that. Okay, it is done. Next, what we need to do is to head straight to ChatGPT. We're going to leave this platform and go straight to ChatGPT and upload the downloaded photo that we got from Pinterest in this case, and ask ChatGPT to give us a prompt for that. For those of you that do not have access to ChatGPT, alternatively, you can also make use of the Microsoft Copilot or even Bing. Okay, what you need to do is to click on this plus sign here, upload the photo that you downloaded from Pinterest, and simply ask for prompt for that photo. For instance, when you are doing this, you have to be careful. Sometimes when the downloaded photo contains maybe the image of the advertiser in this case, you can ask that this very particular person in this photo should be excluded, that the prompt should be given based on just the material, the design, the sewing style, and all of that, but the person should be excluded. Just in case you don't need the background or the edit, you can do here exactly what you want. It's just for you to tell in the prompt, instruct the AI in the prompt exactly what you want. Do you like the background? Okay, fine. If you don't like the background, that background that you want the photo to appear on, you just have to tell it to ChatGPT, and that's all. Okay. All right, guys. As you can see here, our prompt is available. Now, what we need to do is just to copy the prompt, then move out from this website and head straight to Google Gemini or Google AI Studio, where we can have multiple options to other AI tools that we can use to do the same job. Okay, guys, here we are on Google Gemini. What you need to do here is to upload a photo of yourself. Before carrying out all these tasks, make sure to have already taken a photo of yourself, a very clear photo of yourself, and then upload it here. This place where you have the plus sign, click on it. Pick that very particular photo that you want to wear the dress on. You don't have to be perfect on the photo. It's just enough that your face and your stature showed on the photo. So I'm making use of this photo for instance. Click on it and click on open. Okay, now as you can see, the photo is already uploaded. Now don't just go straight and paste the prompt. Otherwise, you're not going to get the result that you want. What you need to do is to type in something as simple as this. Please use the uploaded photo of me as a reference and digitally applied the following dress to my image. So, guys, you see, this is very important. Don't just go straight and paste the prompt. You're not going to get your desired result. So, you just have to type this simple thing here. Please use this uploaded photo of me as a reference and digitally apply the following dress to my image. You can go further to instruct the AI more, such as telling the AI to make sure that your face remains the same, your body stature remain the same. So, you can add further instruction. So, guys, you see, you don't just have to paste the prompt and expect to get the result. It's very important you instruct the AI on what to do. The AI does not read your mind. The AI does not know exactly what you want. So you're going to type something like this. Please use this uploaded photo of me as a reference and digitally apply the following dress to my image. As simple as that. If you want, you can add further instructions like making sure that your face and body stature remain the same or any other way you want to add further instruction. But it's important you let the AI know exactly what you want. After the instruction, then you paste the prompt. Okay, guys, and click the send here and wait for the result. Okay, let's wait for less than at least maximum 30 seconds. Guys, amazing. Did you see this? Amazing, guys. If I tell you that this is not the real me in real life, are you gonna believe it? Amazing, perfect. As you can see, my body stature remained the same, my face remained the same. Amazing, guys. Can you see this? This is super, super cool. Amazing. With this, you don't have to be pressured with whatever you see on the media, guys. This is so amazing. Now, to download it, what you just need to do is to just click on the download button here, this arrow down button here, and download your photo. And in that way, you can fit in the celebrity high class. Nobody's gonna talk down on you anymore, even if you can afford the lifestyle. Guys, you need to fake it until you make it. Yes. Can you see? Now, the only disadvantage I have noticed using Google Gemini is that sometimes, I don't know, I'm still making research on it anyway, it's difficult to have landscape aspect ratio here. Even if you instruct the AI to make it a landscape, it's a kind of difficult. Now, for that reason, sometimes What I prefer to do is to use Nano Banana from Google AI Studio. So just in case, guys, you are able to find a way of maneuvering yours and you get a landscape. I don't know, maybe it might depends on my region. I don't know. If you are able to use it for landscape, fine. But if you can't, you can make use of Google AI Studio. From Google AI Studio, you just head straight to Nano Banana to get what you want. Now let's navigate to Google AI Studio first. Okay, same thing here, guys. As you can see here, there are other amazing features here that I would like to talk about in my next upload. Okay, for now, let's head straight to the reason why we are here. Now let's make use of this Nano Banana. As you can see here, it's just same thing, guys. Here is very possible for you to change the aspect ratio. First of all, let's change the aspect ratio from portrait and put it on 16:9, which is for landscape. Okay, now that we have set the aspect ratio, just same thing that we did there. What you need to do is to upload the photo of yourself that you want to make use of. Don't forget I told you that it doesn't really matter whether the photo is perfect or not. Just take a photo of yourself that you want to make use of. That is the photo you want to change the dress on, okay? The photo of yourself. Click on it, upload it, and then just same thing, guys. Before pasting in your prompt, you can choose to do it first or later. It doesn't mean, but what's important there is that you instruct the AI or what exactly you want simply by saying, please use the uploaded photo of me as a reference and digitally apply the following dress to my image. As simple as that. So we're going to type that now. So we're going to type, please use the uploaded photo of me as a reference and digitally apply the following. Okay, then click on run and wait for the answer. Don't forget, guys, we have already changed the aspect ratio. Guys, can you see this? Now, I would say this is amazing as well, but I don't really like the background. This is also amazing as well, but I don't like the background. Let's say I want to change the background. I want to omit some things there. Okay, as you can see, I'm not carrying handbag here. Okay, let's say I want the AI to automatically apply handbag, this very particular handbag, and then remove this palm tree background here and change it maybe to a photo shoot studio background. Okay, so let's say that's what I want here. So it's possible to edit. Now you just have to tell the AI what to do. That's all. Okay. Don't forget, it's all about you prompting the AI, telling the AI exactly what you want because the AI doesn't read your mind. Okay. So you can do all manner of edit here. You want to be inside the car, it's possible. Just tell the AI. You want to be in your living room, tell the AI. Okay. Now, let's say I want to ask this AI now to make it a photo shoot background and make me to be holding a black handbag. Okay. Okay, guys. So what I just basically type in here is that you should remove the background and apply a beautiful photo shoot background and make it to be holding a lustrous handbag. Simple as that. Guys, don't forget it's possible for you to change the hairstyle. You can as well tell the AI to change the hairstyle. Trust me, your face is going to remain the same, your stature is going to remain the same. Whatever changes you're making there, make sure to be very descriptive, okay? You can change the hairstyle. You can ask the AI to make you to appear in the living room, in a certain location, in the beach, in the party, in bed, wherever. It's just enough for you to express yourself with the prompts, and then you get your amazing results. Okay, guys, did you see this? Amazing. Can you see this? This is amazing. Can you see this, guys? With this, trust me, you can use this AI to achieve your dream dress, car, locations, whatever, wherever, your living room, you want to be in a party. Guys, come on. This is exactly what it means when you hear that Gen Z popular saying, fake it until you make it. Okay, guys, I wouldn't want this video to be too long. I would have given you some other examples and instances, but don't forget, just with your prompt, it is possible to appear anywhere using this AI. If I want it to be at the beach side now, it's just enough for me to tell the AI. I want it to be in a birthday party, fine, just enough for me to express myself. I wanted to appear in an airport anywhere. I just tell the AI, guys, these days nothing is real. Nothing is real on the internet. Stop pressurizing yourself over what you see there. What people are doing these days to make sure they meet up, to make sure they have that, to make sure they belong to that high profile class is this. They're using AI. So don't believe everything you see in the internet. So, guys, what are you waiting for? If this video added value to you in any way, please don't hesitate to put thumbs up. And if you have some questions, please don't hesitate to let me know in the comment section. I'll be there 24 hours answering your questions. Guys, please like, share to your friends, and make sure you subscribe if it's your first time so you can be having some amazing content like this. Thank you so much. I appreciate your time. I appreciate your presence. I appreciate the time you spend into watching this video right now. I hope to see you in my next upload. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Shalom.